I can talk about Xhosa people. I really can. I can, and I will speak about them because they're rude as fuck. They have no mannerism. Like, as how. You'll see them, they're gonna start spamming, speaking in Xhosa right now. Watch. Yo, the internet, awa. Ish. Funny. I am gonna generalize because they are rude. They're very rude. Like, they're so rude. I've never met one nice Xhosa lady in my life that's very kind. I have never. And they're gonna start talking now. You'll see. They'll start talking rubbish. Exactly what I'm saying.
Yena nakwida uthi amaXhosa atheni jasusiqhala kakubi yeva susinyela sona ngothula apha kulo TikTok sanosirhomba sanosiprovoka usile futhi namntana indlela ndakubona so uhlulwe ukuthukwa ngisima ngokugqiba uzonyela thina usiphumela kuthi ekube nothukwa wanya ngisima umqalile ke phofu ogqiba ngokusiqhala kakubi uthi amaXhosa atheni ogqiba ne-apology yakho phofu isile yabonakala uba awuxolise qha udlulisa nje usana oluchamileyo kunina susiqhala kakubi ke susinyele utsho ubuso obunontshontshe utsho ngamehle ngathi uyi-oxstretch emense iveki yonke susiqhala kakubi utsho i-walks apha i-walks ngathi uyaqabadula susiqhala kakubi thina rha besikubukho siva sukugezela wena bukho siva sukugezela njengoba ngathi untshulube nje intshulube yegeza nonsense
bantu bam bantu bam mhle umsebenzi wenu uyancomeka uyabona lenze pha kunakhwida umsebenzi wenu umhle kwaye uyancomeka nakhwida you messed with the wrong tribe my baby man bendingekho but ndithanda ubuyela buya sanimsorte out. Wow, wonderful. TikTok yonqala usivulela i-voice note. Sifuna ukhomenta nge-VN. Sifuna ukhomenta nge-VN because singabanye sikwazi utype ngoku sifela ngaphakathi. Sifela ngaphakathi senje uba sigezelwa ngonakhwida siyagezeleka. He umXhosa he sigezelwa zizikhaba khwitshi zonomokhwe ngoku. Onopeta ayidinwa, ononywayiva. Sigezelwa ngabo ngoku because kufuneka sitayipile. Yo.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Usenkingeni ke unakhwida ngemva kokuthi abe ku live akhulume ngemaXhosa athi maXhosa rude awana menase. Just imagine akhulume lento lena ku live yakhe. Abantu labaningi abazange bayijabulele le nkulumo yakhe, including the Xhosa nation, as the people were coming for her so hard kesana, and namanje they are still coming for her in numbers, saying nje ukuthi usixhela kakubi usixhela umnqondo. Hey guys, when the video ke unakhwida apologizing to them asho ukuthi uyaqolisa bekumela address umuntu loyi-one because nayo nabo bangani bemaXhosa and they are good people njani. But what do you mean when the video ukhuluma ngabo bonke? Now you're coming back to say ukuthi wena unabo bangani bemaXhosa and they are good people. Kanjani? Kanjani? So people are just saying it's the same energy she was using to disrespect them, akube same energy la to isebenzisa qolisa because of what? And as someone low public figure or low watiwako, like you should really be careful ngento lokukhuluma ku social media deep, because tingakufaka njena enkingeni lekhulu kabi. We've seen into njalo tendeka a couple of times ukuthi if watiwa awungaveli nje no run your mouth ukhulume noma njani. Be careful of your words. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Bye bye.